Hello, I'm Jamie, a children's librarian with Tacoma Public Library. I'm here today to give you a quick introduction of Kanopy Kids. Kanopy Kids is an excellent streaming resource that the library provides. You can watch an unlimited amount of fun films specifically for kids. To get started, visit tacomalibrary.org. Online library, A to Z e-resources list, and then click K for Kanopy. You'll see that it does have the image of a library card, so you will need a library card number to access this resource. If you would like assistance creating the Kanopy account, there's a separate video that will walk you through that. Once you have the Kanopy account, you'll just log in and then you'll be able to experience everything I'm about to show you. Right here, we're going to click the Login button. On this computer here, it's on the top right. You will then type in your email address that you used to create your account. Make sure you typed it in right. There we go. Okay, so now you are on regular Kanopy. To get to Kanopy Kids, go up to the top where it says Go to Kanopy Kids. On Kanopy Kids, you have an unlimited playlist. If you would like to set parental controls, you can click this button right here, and that will allow you to set passwords in case you would like them to have verification from an adult in order to leave the Kanopy Kids website. So now I'm going to click Start Watching. It has all sorts of fun carousels here with suggested videos to watch. You can also use the search bar if there's something specific that you would like. I enjoy browsing by categories. You can see that there's all sorts of fun PBS shows as well. And one of my favorite features, we do have languages. Muzzy is an excellent BBC program that features different languages for kids to learn. You'll also see Little Pim and many more. So if there's something you would like to watch, you can go ahead and click it. And you can start with the first video, or you can go through here and select the one that you would like to watch right now. One thing that I enjoy about Kanopy Kids, you can add something to your list so that you can come back and watch it later. There, I just did my list, and that way I'll be able to find it later. So if you're just going through having fun and exploring, you can mark things for later. It does also have fun story time titles as well. These are similar to book flicks, but it doesn't have the same type of read-along feature where it shows you the words. Here you're just watching the story. There's also lots of educational things, science, math, animals, tales from history. So many fun things that you can watch and explore and learn with. If you have any further questions about Kanopy Kids, or you would like to learn more details about how to use this service, please feel free to contact the library and we can help you with any of your questions. Thank you so much for watching and have fun streaming.